Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be using the Anastasia and Jackie Aina collab that they just recently came out with. I finally got my hands on it. It took me a while to find in the UK, but I found it at Harrods. It wasn't on the website, so I couldn't buy it from there, but I went and I picked it up in Harrods. So if you want to see how I do the Jackie Aina, I'm sorry, silly. Let's jump right into this tutorial of me using the Jackie Aina palette. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I bought a sample size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna go and prime my eyes with this and see how we get on. This eyeshadow primer is very opaque, so all the colors you use will appear on your skin. But I think you don't really need it for this eyeshadow palette because I think it's going to be very pigmented. But I like my colors to pop, so you all know. If you are an old subscriber, you know that I like to use something that make my eyeshadow pop. But if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. I'm in love with this eyeshadow primer, to be honest. Just remind me of the soft ochre paint. And set this into place with my trusty dusty Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm going in with this Jackie Aina palette. Show you guys what it looks like on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, look at these colors. Come on, are they not beautiful? Like, so I'm going to go in with my first color. I think I'm going to use ginger. This one right here. Oh, this one right here, ginger. And I'm just going to take a large fluffy brush and just apply that into my crease as my transition color. There's a lot of fallout to this eyeshadow palette, but that's okay because that means that it's pigmented as I predicted. And also you can always do your so do your eyes first and then do your foundation. But if you want, you could go in and just put setting powders underneath your eyes to catch the fallout, so that way you could just dust it off and don't ruin your base. Wow, I thought ginger wouldn't have been this pigmented, but it is. Wow. Let's blend this out. But I'm just saying, the pigment in this eyeshadow from this eyeshadow ginger is absolutely amazing. Look at that. And it don't take too long to blend. Like, it's not hard to blend and stuff like that, because once you put eyeshadow into a palette sometimes and they've pressed it, it's hard to blend, it's hard to move. Now I'm gonna go in with edges, and I'm gonna use a clean fluffy brush again. Edges right here. So I'm just going in with edges and I'm just blending that into my crease and bringing it into the inner corner a bit. I don't even know what look I'm going for because I just sat down and I just started filming because I wanted to do this fresh. This is the first time I'm using this palette, so I just went in, to be honest. But I'm loving how pigmented these colors are. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Supreme. This pink, I don't know why, it's just looking at me and I'm like, oh, you're pretty. I'm just gonna go in like here. It's just a pretty color. I like this palette because you don't have to reach for another palette to create several looks. This is amazing. Oh, this palette is amazing. I'm loving it. Yeah, edges, why not? Blend all of this together. I like that dimension of what I just did. I'm gonna go in with Credit. Okay, now I'm taking Credit, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to pop that in my outer V right here. Blend into my crease. Now I'm taking ginger again and I'm just going to blend everything out a little bit. Just make sure there's no harsh lines or anything. I'm just gonna go in with Soleil and just apply that to my lids because it's just it's a gorgeous color. I love how Soleil looks, and now I'm just going back in with Credit. I just got a makeup wipe and cleaned off my under eye area. So now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. And this is in soft silk. Soft silk. Can't speak tonight. And just taking a few pumps. Apply that to my skin. Then I'm just going to go in and take my Too Faced Multi Sculpt Concealer. And I'm just going to use that to just cover my dark circle, my dark spots and stuff on my face. Put a little bit underneath my eye. Not too much. The Hydrating foundation. I kept saying primer in my last video. The Hydrating foundation from Fenty, and also the Nars Natural Radiant longwear foundation, and mix those two together. I'll leave all the shades and everything in the description box, so if you want to know the shade, just look in the description box. Taking a couple of pumps of the Fenty, and now I'm just going to take a few pumps of Natural Radiance from Nars and mix those two together. You know, I like to come up with my own concoction of stuff. So look at that. Ba-bam. And I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender and pat this into my skin. This is a, look how gorgeous and dewy my skin just looks, and non-greasy. I look hydrated. Like, I just Too Faced and the Fenty concealer, just mixing these two in the bottom of my eye. I'm just going to turn the beauty blender back on the bit that I put my foundation, and just kind of make sure that there's no demarcation on my forehead. Okay, that looks, ooh, that looks perfect. And I'm just going to start blending my under eye. I'm going in with the Mercier powder, and I'm just going to set. I'm just gonna dust off this bake. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go Too Faced Born This Way translucent medium powder, and I'm just going to use that for the rest of my face. I'm going to take the MAC Fix Plus and base. The Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coco Naughty. Then I'm taking Outlaw blush. Going in with the Killawatt in Afternoon Snack and More Honey highlighter. Now going back to the eyes, I'm just going to go in and just deepen back out my outer V. And I'm going to use, of course, Credit. But making sure I pat off that excess, because I don't want that no fallout right now. I'm going to do a wing off camera and also apply lashes, and then I'll come back. So I've applied some liner. I know. So I've applied some liner to like the inner part and taking it outwards. And now I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm just going to go in with the edges first. Then I'm going to take Credit. Ooh. I'm just going to take Trust Issues. Did you see that? Ooh. Now I'm just going to take the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just do my bottom lash line. I'm going to take the NYX liquid liner in Lolita. I'll just line my lips. In with don't watch this, watch from the lip. Tom Ford lip color matte rouge in number 4 Pussycat. I'm just gonna take this Anastasia lip gloss and just apply that to my lips. I don't know how to pronounce it and I'm not going to sound like an idiot, so check the description box for the name. And I just think that just ties the look together. But look how beautiful this look turned out. It is absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the Jackie Aina palette. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is absolutely free. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I love to get to know you guys and find out your opinion on what you want to see on my channel. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.